Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. Got a crazy, odd one for you. I flew the night timber last night and ran into a parking curb and broke the prop. And then I flew it today, maybe 6 batteries or so. I was out a total of about 3 hours. And when I was carrying the plane back inside, I could just feel dirty, grime. And the reason I could tell the difference is because last week I wiped the whole plane down, and then I put some more polyacrylic on some places that I could see I just missed or whatever. I probably just missed it. So anyways, a week ago, this thing was wiped down completely, and now I can feel a little grime. So I'm going to wipe it down again, and we'll wring out a rag into a cup and just see how much dirt a plane can collect in a weekend of flying. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get a glass of water, and then I'm gonna dump the water in a bowl, and then I guess I'm gonna grab a sock, that way I can put it on my hand like a mitt and get in all the nook and crannies, and then we'll wring it out, and we'll just see how much dirt comes off our planes in a weekend. Why not? I'm gonna do it anyways. So sit tight and subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. I'll quit saying it once you guys start doing it. Alrighty, hang on. If you want to win a jet like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Click the like button and leave a comment. And then ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. At 1,000 subscribers, we gave this jet away. At 5,000, we're going to give another one. I don't know what it is yet. We'll see when that time comes. So hey, subscribe guys. Happy flying. I'm going to take a sock and wear it on my hand like a mitt. It's actually a clean sock. 1 glass of water. We'll dump the water back in the glass when we're done. And just see, let's just see what we gather up. I was going to do this anyways. I'm going to take the wing off, and I currently have the flaps plugged into channel 5 and channel 6, and I did that mix per the manual where you could have ailerons on 4. Instead of flap and aileron, you could have all 4 ailerons if you want. And doing that mix, either I did something wrong or that's just how it is, but I've never been able to use the flaps and the plane stay level. Like no matter what down elevator mix you put into the equation, the plane still jumps straight to the moon. So it's like obviously something has quit working due to that mix. So I'm going to put a Y harness back in it and connect the receiver up like it should be without any special mix into it. And then I'm also going to take out the joiner tube in the elevator. I'm going to take the steel one out and put in the fiberglass or carbon fiber, whatever it is. That's a lot of my issue also just that's not my flying style, and if you want to do more 3D and like hovering and stuff, then that's what the steel rod is for. And I want this thing to be more just like a casual flyer, more like a cruiser. And if you want to do a trick, you can. And it's been a little difficult to get things leveled out. Seems like by the time, sometimes I get it trimmed out perfect, And then the next battery will just happen to weigh a little bit less or more, or I'll get it placed, a quarter-inch different than the one before it, and then my center of gravity is all off, and I think it's all because that big steel joiner tube in the back. So we'll take that guy out. I'm ready seeing this water change colors. I mean, I could feel the grime on here. I really, really could feel it. And my hands are pretty, callousy and rough to begin with. I think we're ready to flip it. I think we're ready to flip her over. Polyacrylic is really good protecting. I can feel the difference once I wipe it off, and this dirt and dust comes off pretty easily. Let's say we're almost done. The other back piece of the elevator. All right, let's see what our experiment looks like here. Clean water to start. Yeah, you can say there's a little dirt on it. I bet you've never seen a video like that before. What the heck? I was going to wash it off anyways, guys. Let's see. Let's get a look at what this guy looks like in the spotlight now. When it's all shiny. We'll let it do its little model debut for you now that it's all clean and shiny. Woohoo! I don't know if that's glue right there or I missed a spot. That's a little glue, I think. Alright guys, hey, thank you. Catch you on the next one.